because kune-spirit esihambile abesiworshipha. Laphana-ke uma sikhuluma-ke ngedimoni lemali, ngifuna ukuthi u-understand ukuthi izinto esizi-introduce kubantu simelene nale demon, and I know ukuthi likhuluma kanjani. It's the same demon elithi what if. Likhuluma kuqala lela demon, idemoni lani lemali. And lela demoni lelana umhlaba uyanyakaza uma imali yangaba khona. Iparliament lithi reshuffle because of treasury. Uthi kunemali eyiningi eyilahlekile ko-minister. Hayi uthi o-minister benze okuhlukile but ba-overspende ekusizeni umphakathi obavotele. Kuthiwa they overspended. They overdonated. Yes, bekuneyikhukhula kodwa nidonate kakhulu. Abantu abayeni badonatela nibayenzanga screening or vetting. Bebengeyona inhlangano yethu. Ngaloo ndlela uminister ufuna ashintshwe because of ile la demon. Kukhulunywa ngemali la. Lento isuke yathinta imali kanti lento le demon licontroller imali. Engisho ukuthi abantu bakithi, when you come to a situation whereby we have to take a decision okuyibulala because of imali, awuzibulali ngoba ngenxa imali. That's not ukuthi it's a good model of worshipping lela demon. Ngoba vese into eliyifunayo is to waste your marriage, is to take you out from work, take you out from organizations that are leading emphakathini. You can never be a pastor because kunento engabonakala kahle emalini zakho. Awuntshontshanga, but kuthiwa you overspended, usinike kakhulu intandane nabafelokazi, and waziwafinyelela abanye abantu abasonti nabafika ngoba bezodla. We trusted you with this money, but we find it ethically correct ukuthi sikususe. Awuwonanga ebandleni but usuke wathinta imali. Imali ke icontrol lela demon. We as abelaphi bendabuko, we as aba leaders community, we have to stand out and start to tell people the truth ukuthi you cannot worship this demon anymore. Awuzudivoza umuntu ngesizathu semali. Awuzokwenza lokho. Angizofika mina ngibuze uma sizume ekhaya ukuthi mawakhe nje ayikho nje into eyicabangayo nje enye. Ukuhlala nje kanje ubuka iTV. Ngalondla ngiyadivorce. She has sinned not. Before the eyes of the master she did not sin. Ethongweni she akazenze lutho. Emshadweni wethu akabhohlalanga ngisho wodwa because of imali. Now I'm canonizing her. No, lelo demon, we have to speak the truth about that demon because we found it ukuthi kwi ministry esikiyona they were not asked ukuthi ningabafundisa nabantu kama demon, so that once abantu baba prescribed demon ukuthi lento le nanti demon elicontrolayo, if ngiqhubeka nalento le I'm worshiping this demon, I'm giving praise to this demon. Because most of the time people, they don't pray about being blessed by God. They want God to give them something that can be used to praise this demon. This demon conducts your prayers. Then when you kneel down, it will tell you, ask for money. God will give you. He knows, He loves you. He loves you. Ask Him, quick, ask Him. Now ask Him, I'm here. And when you kneel down, unengane diabetic, unomkhonyana o-diabetic, unomkhonyana osebenza kahle emsebenzini ongapromoteki, awukhulekeli lokho. Unento yenyama evukayo wena njengomuntu omzalwayo, awuyikhulekeli leyo nto. Into enzekayo ke kuwena ukhulekela imali kuphela. Uthi inkosi yakhuleka emini umntwana wakho, ungiphi imali nje uqedile. Guess uma ungiphi imali ngiqedile noma angangiyeka ngiqhubeke ngingenze yini, but uma ungiphi imali nje ngiqedile ngidinga kakhulu umhlaba imali. You know why you need money? Because you want to give praise to this demon. This demon actually tells you what to do. Once waba nemali kade ufuna uNkulunkulu obuyifuna again, you start to put tattoos around you. You will have extended artificial nails, artificial hair. You start to plaster your face. You look different from what God akwazi uyona kade uthandaza. Ubuthandaza ngenzipho zangempela. Ubuthandaza ngefacial precision yangempela. Kodwa namhlanje azekho lezo nzipho. Usuyi decoration yalesa spirit lesiyana. Engisho ukuthi lezi zinto lezi, if we don't talk about it, We know why amasonto ethu engasitsheli lezi zinto. Kunezinto ezosenza ukuthi sazi kakhulu. Kanti abantu they should not be fed with lot of information. Kunamasonto mina engikwaziyo noma amabandla engikwaziyo, iTaoism, Buddhist, Hindustan, Islam abathandazela imali. Why phothina kwiChristianity sithandazela imali? Because we control ile moya. It controls your prayers.